Hi there. Here's our coffee and cake project. Let's start by creating the folder for our site. We're just going to call this folder Site to keep it simple. This is going to be the main folder for the coffee and cake website. First of all, let's create an index.html file. To do that, we open Sublime, then create a new file and save it as index.html. And, of course, we're going to save it in our site folder. Next, we're going to do the basic mockup. So we start with doctype HTML, then we have the HTML tag. Inside of it, we always have a head tag and a body tag. Okay, inside the head tag, we always have two more tags. We got meta charge set UTF-8, which basically means the coding is going to be in UTF-8. Then we have our title. Again, to keep things simple, we're going to write first page as the text of the title. And then, let's take care of our body. This is going to be the actual content of our website, what's going to be on the actual page. So what do we need for that? Here we have an image and then we have a title. By the way, all the images and text that we'll be using for this website can be found in the additional materials in the materials folder. These are the images. And these are the text documents to fill up the text content of our website. Okay, so let's copy this image folder and paste it to our site so that we have all the images. First of all, we need the image called cake.jpg. That's why we add here an img tag. And then for src, we write images to get into the images folder, then slash, and then cake.jpg. Good. Let's see what we have right now. As you see, we've got this huge picture, which is not what we need, right? Let's make the image smaller by adding a width attribute, say width 400 pixels. Now, that's much better. Next, if we look at the original, we see that the image is aligned to the center. How can we do that? Well, remember that we can't actually apply the align center to the img tag, but we can apply it to the p tag. That's why we create a p tag, and then we move that img tag here inside of it. Now we can add the attribute align center to the p tag. And now the image should be centered. Let's see what we have. There it is. Alright, so next we have our main heading, which is coffee and cake. Let's open up our file, because we will be copying a lot of text from here. That's the one for our home page. Let's go ahead and copy this title, coffee and cake. Then we create an h1 tag, which is the main heading. As you can see, we have the ampersand symbol here. To get the ampersand symbol in HTML, amp and then a semicolon have to be added to it. Okay, we did this, so now it should be fine. So let's go ahead and align this. And there we have it. Perfect. Alright, now we see that we have these horizontal lines. We're going to add them just using two HR tags. For that, before our H1, we're going to add HR, and after we also add another one. Save and refresh the page. And there it is. Perfect. Okay, moving on. We have the About Us heading. This is a heading of the second level. That's why we added H2 underneath our HR and just add the text About Us. Let's save and see what we've got. There, perfect. Alright, next we have two paragraphs. This one, we've been baking, and this one, visit our fabulous little coffee shop. So we're going to add two p tags. In the first one, we're going to add this text from this part right here. And in the second one, we're going to use this text. And there we have it. If you look here though, it says over 10 years. That's in bold and also in italics. So how can we do that? To get it bold, let's remember our lesson on formatting. We just wrap this phrase in a strong tag, so one here, and one after. And that should do it. Let's see what we've got. There it is. Now, to get the italics, we can use the M tag. Please pay attention that we can add M tag either in between the strong tag, here and here, or we can add M tag before the strong tag and after the strong tag. But it's prohibited to add an M tag here and then here. Don't do it like this. We have already added the start M tag here, and that's why we need to add the end M tag here. Alright, let's save and refresh and see what we've got. And there it is. Perfect. Okay, what next? Next we have two headings. This one that says Our Menu, and this one down here that says How to Place an Order. These are headings of the same level, H3 headings. Therefore, we add two H3 tags. For the first one, we're going to use this text. And for the second one, we're going to use this text. Alright, let's see if we have it. There it is. Okay, next. In our menu, we have two other headings. One is desserts, and the other one is coffee. These are also headings of the same level. They will be H4 tags. We've got two of them. The first one is desserts, and coffee is the second one. Next we see that after desserts we have a list, and after coffee we also have a list. The coffee list is a little simpler, so let's start with that one. It is an unordered list, just like the desserts one. That's why we will use a UL tag, and then inside we have 3 list items. Therefore, we create 3 li tags. The first one is Americano. Then we have espresso. And then we have cappuccino. There. Alright. Actually, this should be under coffee. We need to move it. Alright, we cut this out, put it under coffee, and there we have it. Okay, good. Now we need to do the list for desserts. So this one consists of 2 list items. And in the first list item, there is a sublist with 3 more list items. That's why we add a UL tag with 2 li tags. And then here's another UL tag. And inside we have 3 li tags. So this is cupcakes. And then here it's going to be sweets. And as for the cupcakes, we have 3 types: chocolate, vanilla, and red velvet. Let's just paste those into here, here, and here. And there we go. Let's see what we've got. And there we have it. Excellent. Next, this time we've got an ordered list under how to place an order. It doesn't use the bullet points, it uses numbers because it's an ordered list. So we create an OL tag. And then 2 list items. Here we have select the cake you like. And then here we have the phone number. Everything works. Finally, we have the text down here that says contact us. So for that, we're just going to create a p tag and add this text right here. Let's see. And there we have it. So that's basically it for now. In the next video, we're going to work on the Contact Us page. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.